He's a big fella. Look at that. Comes over, takes a big breath. He's still there. No? There he is. I reckon he's there. Look
Yeah,
out.
there you go. Hey!
Whoa! No, it's not. Think so?
I think the boys were just looking for the opportunity to use the word sperm.
Yeah.
You've got boys' mentality pretty sorted out there, Scott. It's a southern right, in fact. Why are they called the right whale?
Not the wrong one.
Right. They're the right one for lots of blubber.
Oh. Oi! Fantastic.
So what you're looking at here, guys, is a southern right whale. There's 4 of them in the fjord today. Extremely rare to see them in the fjord, actually. The 10 years I've been here, I've never actually seen one, so pretty exciting for us locals as well.